Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Android Studio and the Android SDK are installed, virtualization is enabled, and your JDK path is set. Open Android Studio and choose Standard, Install to get the SDK and emulator quickly. Once done, create a new project with an empty activity so you have a minimal app structure. Make sure to accept SDK licenses when prompted and apply recommended components. This avoids future build errors and speeds up initial runs. Next, configure the build and emulator. In SDK Manager, install the desired API level and platform tools so your app targets modern devices. Create an AVD using an x86 system image and enable hardware acceleration. This makes the emulator responsive. In project structure, pick Gradle JDK 11 so builds are consistent, then sync the project. If builds fail repeatedly, enable Gradle offline for stability while you install missing dependencies. Run Build Clean project to remove stale outputs before trying again. Finally, deploy and verify your app. Click Run, choose the AVD or a connected device with USB debugging enabled, and watch the run window for install progress. If installation fails, open Logcat to see the exact error and adjust dependencies or SDK versions accordingly. Make sure to restart ADB with a dbkill server and a dbstart server if devices don't appear. If the emulator is unstable, wipe AVD data or re-download the system image. That usually fixes corruption and launch failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.